Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix download issues with watermarks despite having Pro subscription. So let's get started with the video. So basically this can be the issue of cache. You need to clear the cache, scroll up, go to the settings of your phone. Once you're on the settings, at the upper right corner, you will see search bar. In this, you need to search for application Kling AI. Scroll down, go to the storage section and then clear cache at below right corner. The next thing which you can do is make sure that you are using the updated version of the application that is not causing the issue. You can go to the Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone. Go to search bar, search for Kling AI application, and if you are getting an option of update here, make sure you have updated the application. The next thing is you can contact the Kling AI support team. You can open any of the browser and in the search bar you can search for Kling AI contact us. So basically here you will get an official email. You need to email to that team regarding the issue that you are facing. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.